Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be talking about why your hardwired smoke alarms keep going off for no reason and how you can fix the problem properly. Now, hardwired smoke alarms are usually interconnected. That means that if one detector senses a problem, all the connected alarms in the house may start going off together. Now, sometimes the actual faulty alarm is not the loudest one, which makes troubleshooting confusing. Now, a single dirty detector can trigger the whole system. So sometimes dust, insects, or debris inside the sensor chamber can cause the false alarms randomly. So you need to carefully clean each alarm using the compressed air or a soft brush. Pay special attention to the holder alarms near the kitchens or the vents. Now, hardwired smoke alarms can react to the steam from the bathrooms, cooking smoke, or high humidity, cold air from the vents, and sudden temperature shifts. So, this is especially common during nighttime when air temperature changes quickly. Now, even hardwired alarms still rely on the backup batteries. So a weak backup battery can cause the random chirping, false alarms, and communication issues across the interconnected system. So you need to try replacing all the batteries together instead of changing only one. So you can try these easy fixes and see if the problem is gone. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.